Can a restricted account message you on Messenger? Firstly, you have to open the Messenger from your Play Store on your Android. Now open it on your Android. We are going to know, can a restricted account message you on Messenger? If you have blocked some accounts and he is messaging you, then how you know that he is messaging you? You will not get message notification directly on your chat box. You can see their messages on by clicking on the three lines which appear at the left right corner. You can see here message request. That person's or blocked message will appear in spam messages and you will not get notification. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. And you have to click on the three lines, click on your profile, click on the privacy and security, click on block account. You can see that person is blocked or not in your account. Thank you so much. This procedure is for both Android as well as on iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.